Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can add Sui network to Trust Wallet. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. I just wanted to let you know that adding Sui token on Trust Wallet is not possible for now because Sui network is a completely blockchain network on its own, and for now you cannot add it on Trust Wallet. The thing is, like, if we go on contracts and click on it, it opens something called as a Sui scan, which is similar to Cardano scan, or you can say Ether scan. Cardano is for Cardano network, and Ether scan is for ERC20 network. So if you see this, we cannot add it for now. If we go ahead and copy it to the clipboard and go to Trust Wallet, we will paste it over here. As you can see, it's not showing the chain ID, it's not showing the token symbol. So we cannot do it for now. Let me go ahead and try to open by adding custom chain. So we are here again. See, as you can see, the network name is not there. Hold on. If I will go ahead and just type Sui, and we don't know the RPC URL for it. So let us check if we can get the RPC URL, and we are opening it. So as you can see, there is no option for RPC URL. So basically, you cannot add it on the Trust Wallet right now. We'll go ahead and close this Trust Wallet. But the thing that you can do is you can go ahead and download the Sui wallet, which is there on Chrome. I will go ahead and simply add it. I will click on Add Extension and wait for it to be added. So now Sui wallet has been added to my network. To my Chrome browser. No, it's similar to other wallets that you make, like create a new wallet, then they will give you a recovery phase. You can go ahead and make your own wallet over here and start transacting on the Sui network. So this is how you can access Sui network for now without adding it to Trust Wallet and MetaMask. And in case still if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.